Alright, we'll do a take two. It is Sunday, and it's like 80 degrees out here, at least 80 degrees. I should be out on the trail. Yeah. I should be out on the trail writing my trail guide. Instead I'm here wasting another weekend, you know, but that's how things go. First of all, I got new cameras here. Right here on this camera here is the Canon Vixa HG20, I believe, the one I've been using for a while now. Over here on the right, on this camera, is a little action cam similar to a GoPro. It's called the SJ7 Star by SJ Cam. It's only like $169, so I got two of them. So very good quality. It's got the Wi-Fi and everything that the GoPro has, plus it's 4K, so it says. On top of that, I did get a new video camera here. This is the Lumix. It's a Panasonic Lumix, and I got this recommended to me by the Overlander. Yeah. In case you don't know who the Overlander is, I'll have to put a link to his website. So thanks a lot, Mr. Overlander. You know, this is a reasonably priced, high quality 4K camera. I haven't used it yet. I haven't even read the instructions. I just barely put the batteries in. So so that part's ready to go. Now I got to get a vehicle, because yesterday I listed the Tacoma for sale, and some guy called me in the first hour. Says he wants to check it out. So I met him last night. We walked around the truck and checked for damage on the body and looked at the engine, and that was about it. Wanted to make me an offer. Said he's a serious buyer. He wants to buy it now. Cash. And he wanted to know how much. I go, I told you how much on the phone. He says, ah, that's a little high. Of course he said that, you know. So, but anyway, yeah, it's sold. He gave me a deposit. Said meet me at his bank Monday, and it's gone. So that's that. I'm just gonna clean it up right now. I mean, he didn't even give me a chance to clean it up. He didn't ask about the lift kit or nothing. He checked it out, just make sure it was straight. Checked out the interior and the engine compartment. So, oh well, on to something new, right? Got new cameras, got a new truck sitting there in the back. 2018 Colorado, 50 miles on it. I haven't driven it anywhere. It's just sitting there. So that's be coming up, but first I got to make some adjustments to it. A lift kit is on its way. The only issue I have with this lift kit and similar lift kits for these IFS trucks is that there's something with the wheels where you got to run big wheels. I don't want to run big wheels. I mean, the kit I got says 18-inch wheels recommended. Big jump in tire price when you talk about tires and wheels. I mean, yeah, when you talk about tires. And I saw another kit out there from BDS. They recommend a 20-inch wheel. At that point, you're hitting almost $400 per tire on a 20-inch wheel. So, whoa. So that's the only drawback. Oh, another drawback is on that Colorado, I was looking for wheels, and there seems to be a limited selection on a 6-lug. It's a 6x120. So there's the limited selection for that bolt pattern. So that's going to be a little challenge to find something that I like at a maximum 17-inch wheel. I don't want to run an 18 or a 20. That's probably the biggest I want to go. I'd like to go 15. You get more tire with a 15. Better for off-road. I mean, just 20-inch wheels are for mall crawlers, not for off-road driving. So, yeah, well, say goodbye to this truck, on to something new, right? Alright, so that's it. That's it. It's ready to go. All cleaned up. Took all my stuff out of it, and shoot. Good truck. I just need something new, so something different. I've gone as far as I wanted to go on this truck. I was thinking of putting a different kit on it, a suspension kit, and raising it up, and you know, changing the gears eventually. You know, I've driven it for 5 years with the stock gearing and 35-inch tires. It's done fine. So it is possible. You just got to drive it right, correctly. You know, like I don't use the overdrive, or I don't use the 5th gear. It's got a 5-speed auto, and I rarely use it. I got to be going like 80 miles an hour on flat ground to use that. So just put it in 4. It's in 4th gear all the time. So yeah, it's worked good. You know, I haven't had to re-gear it. I never did put lockers on it. It's all factory traction control and limited slip, and it's done just right. As long as I air my tires down, and you know, it takes experience. Other than that, that's about all I can say. Let's see who buys it, you know, or let's see what happens to it, where it goes after this. So on the Colorado, I would like to go out on the Colorado and take it just for a ride, like I did the Tacoma when I first got it. One of my older videos, I took it down the Mojave River out there by Maddox Wash, and all the way to Afton Canyon, all the way out, I think I went out to Devil's Playground, Razor Road, with the stock tires, the stock Dunlop. They had the really cheap tires on there. Dunlop Adventurers or Ventures, passenger car tires. It did fine. The Colorado has some better tires. I'd like to check it out. I haven't even read the manual yet. You know, it's got an 8-speed automatic. The shifter only has like four selectors on it. What do you call it? 1, 2, 3, 4, I think. It does have a little switch on the handle. Has a plus or minus on it, and then you know, stuff like that I got to look up, see how that's going to work. What else? It's got a trailer towing package, so that's a little switch, and from what I've read, that adjusts the shifting on the transmission. And I think it's got traction control and stuff like that. It's got a automatic locker in the rear axle. We'll see how that works. You know, I don't know much about them. And there's also an issue with the wheels, because you know, I've been shopping for some wheels, and the ones I want don't come in that bolt pattern. It's a 6x120. So I'm going to shop around. I'll probably go down to Tucker Tire and talk to the guys there and see what they recommend. And like I said, I got a kit coming. It's on its way. And we're going to go from there. Also, I had some comments of asking why I didn't buy a full-size truck. Well, I didn't even bother looking into full-size trucks because I don't need a full-size truck. This truck's perfect. It's easy to park and everything. Decent gas mileage, not great, but decent. So today, after having breakfast, I stopped by the Chevrolet dealer there in Covina, California, and they had a Denali model crew cab, full size, you know, with the Duramax engine, 4-wheel drive. It's already got a lift kit on it and everything. The sticker price was $71,000. Woo! It's almost double what my Colorado cost. And then, right next door to it, they had a white Silverado 2-wheel drive with a lift kit on it. It had some kind of spacer kit, you know, one of those spacer kit deals. That thing was $51,000. Yikes, you'd have to get like 8-year financing. Even if you put $20,000 down, you're still going to be paying $500–600 a month. Outrageous, outrageous. So, something to think about, guys. It's not that easy to buying a truck these days. They're very expensive. Yeah. So we'll go from there. Like I said, I want to head out on the trail and start doing some trail mapping for my little trail guide. That's going to take some time. Got to have a good vehicle. I got a little more work to do on the Bronco, so the Bronco will probably be might be out on the trail soon. You know, I'm behind schedule. I want to have this done by February. It's getting close. So that's all for now. Say goodbye. Yeah, that'll be gone tomorrow.